are watching Arya classes from Vrindavan. Today we have a session based on scientific words in which we define some words based on science. So let's start our first topic, which is nutrition. Define nutrition.
The whole process of taking and utilizing the food by living in our organism is called nutrition.
Define autotrophic nutrition.
The mode of nutrition in which organism make food for themselves in simple substance are called nutrition.
Heterotrophic nutrition.
The mode of nutrition in which animal and most other organisms take food prepared by a plant is called heterotrophy.
Define saprotrophic nutrition.
A mode of nutrition is organism food from dead entities and dead entities organism maintenance is called saprotrophy. Organism in a host and depend or at for food are called parasites.
What is azoic nutrition?
Holozoic nutrition is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition where organisms ingest solid food, digest and use it.
Our second segment is based on biological process. Define respiration.
The process of breakdown of food in the cell with release of energy is called respiration.
What is digestion?
The process of breaking down of food from complex into simpler molecules is called digestion.
What is transportation?
Transportation is the moving of essential substances like nutrition, gases and waste products is called transportation.
Define photosynthesis.
Process by which green plant make their own food sources.
What is stomata?
The tiny pores of the lip surface is called stomata. The process of remove waste from our body is called excreta.
Let's start our next topic, the states of matter. What is evaporation?
The process of a substance in a liquid state changing to a gaseous state due to an increase of temperature or pressure are called evaporation.
What is condensation?
The process by which gas changes into a liquid. The process of changing solid into gases or gases into solid directly is possible.
So our next topic is reproduction. Define reproduction.
Reproduction is the process by which living beings reproduce their unborn.
What is sexual reproduction?
Sexual reproduction in which new plant obtained from seed is called sexual reproduction.
What is asexual reproduction?
Sexual reproduction, the process of reproduction without involvement of male and female gametes is called sexual reproduction.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching.